The concept of intertextuality is very flexible in the sense that structuralist critics use it to locate and even fix literary meaning, while post-structuralists employ the term to disrupt notions of meaning. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to UpLife. In this video lesson, we will look at how intertextuality is an integral part of literary criticism. Literary critics, such as French theorist Gérard Genette, employ intertextuality theory to argue for critical certainty, or at least for the possibility of saying definite, stable, and incontrovertible things about literary texts. In Narrative Discourse, an essay in Method, Genette writes that the analysis of narrative discourse, as I understand it, consistently implies a study of relationship. On the one hand, the relationship between a discourse and the events that it recounts, narrative in its second meaning. On the other hand, the relationship between the same discourse and the act that it produces it, narrative in its third meaning. Although intertextuality has inspired various critical positions, it is a term by no means exclusively related to literary works or written communication. Intertextuality has been adapted by critics of non-literary art forms such as painting, music, architecture, photography, or even film. Through the use of intertextuality employed by other art forms, traits of society or periods of history can be captured not only in the written form but also by using visual imagery. Intertextuality as a concept has a history of different expressions, which reflect the historical situation out of which it has emerged. The purpose of this introductory video lessons is not to choose between theories of intertextuality, but rather to present their most important elements and understand the term intertextuality in its specific historical and cultural manifestations. To summarize, we can state that the concept of intertextuality dramatically blurs the outline of texts, making them, in Roland Barthes' words, an illimitable tissue of connections and associations. Of course, it entirely depends on the reader's sensibility and background knowledge to make all the necessary connections in order to get the most out of a text. If you want to find out more about literary criticism, I recommend you have a look at Gérard Genette's book Narrative Discourse, an essay in Method. See the Amazon link in the description below. The inspiration for this literary theory series about intertextuality is based on my book The Matrix and the Alice books. Consider supporting our project by purchasing a copy. The Kindle edition is only 99 cents. Check out the Amazon link in the description below. To make sure you don't miss the next episode, subscribe to UpLife, a space where we strive for an upgraded lifestyle.